cross over to Kitui, where the County Textile Center in Siongila, Kitui County, has moments ago dispatched 2,800 chiefs and assistant chiefs uniforms to Nairobi for distribution to the rest of the country. The county was awarded over 70 million the uniforms by President Uhuru Kenyatta. Our reporter Daniel Mule is at Kikotek in Siongila for the details, but now we'll listen in to what's happening as we see Ngilu, the governor of the county of Kitui, handing over the materials. Let's just listen in.
Okay, as you can see here, these are pictures coming to you live from Kikotek in Siongila, Kitui County, where the area governor, Charity Ngilu, has handed over 2,800 uniforms for chiefs and assistant chiefs to Musa Kakawa, the Assistant Inspector General of Police, and they'll be dispatched to different regions in the country. They'll be taken to Nairobi, where they'll be distributed to different areas of the country. Remember, this is just the first batch of the uniforms, and the county has been entrusted with manufacturing the rest of the uniforms for the chiefs, assistant chiefs, county commissioners, deputy county commissioners, among others. Maybe you can grab the governor and have a word with the governor. Governor, we are live on NTV at 1. Maybe you can tell us, what does it mean to you and to Kitui as a county?
Let me say that today is a great day for Kitui County and for me in particular, because when we started this Kitui County Textile Center and we trained young people, we did not expect that it was going to give the kind of support and service that is giving to these young people. We trained 350 young people just to make garments. We did not any time imagine that we could get the favor of the national government that we have gotten, and that now we are able to produce a chiefs and assistant chiefs uniform nationally, because the president himself pronounced and said that we get that order. These young people, I can almost say that it was a baptism by fire, in the sense that this is very difficult uniform to make, but they have lived to what they have been trained to do. This tells me personally that it is not the level of education that we should be looking for. We should be looking at what skills that we can develop in people. And therefore, young people of this country have the capacity. They only need us to develop skills in them, give them something to do, get markets for them, and they'll be good to go. So this has given us really the challenge that we thought we had. Now we are through with it, that we have learned, and the support indeed, and the confidence especially that the national government has shown in us. One time I was talking to somebody about Kitui County Textile Center, and they said, really? Can anything like this come from Kitui County? And I said, yes, something like this can come from Kitui County, because we are talking about good skills, we are talking about technology, we are talking about, we have capital from the county, and we have the labor people, and we can train them. And
maybe, Governor, sorry to cut you short, so that before we hand over back to studio for the rest of the news coverage, how far have you gone with securing the tender for the uniforms for the police? Because I know you're also pursuing that.
Yes, when we saw this advertised in the papers, we also said we are going to put our tender. We are going to apply for the tender, and we did apply as a county. And we do hope that we are going to win it. And if we win it, now we have the capacity and the understanding. And the young people will be able to make the police uniform if we are going to be given. We pray we'll be given.
Okay, and one could be wondering, is this commercially viable? I mean, you have over 350 youth whom you've employed here. When are you expecting to strike even? I know you've used around 168 million shillings to set up this textile center.
This obviously is including the building, the machines, and the young people. So this is something that we expect in less than a year, we can actually strike even. Because the young people who are producing, now this one you can see, they brought a uniform, we are only charging for making. So it is going to strike even within a very short time. And we expect that we can start this same project in Mutomo and in Mwingi.
Yeah, so there you have it. 2,800 uniforms have already been dispatched, and they're waiting to have 3,700 more for the chiefs and the assistant chiefs. Maybe one word from Musa Kakawa, the Assistant Inspector General. Are you satisfied by the quality of garments that you're receiving today?
To be honest, we are satisfied.
Oh. Okay, that's it for now. So I'll hand it back over to you, studio. Maybe my camera person can show you the rest of the team. We have so many young people here. The dispatch is continuing, is ongoing. They're loading the uniforms to the trucks so that they can be taken to Nairobi. So we'll be bringing you more on that, about what is happening here in Kitui. So the county commissioner says he needs to say a word, but I know we have to hand over to studio for the rest of the news coverage. So for now, I have to hand you back as the dispatch continues and the loading of the uniforms into the trucks.